बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। उम्मीद करते हैं आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की मैं अपनी इस वीडियो में आप सब के लिए 9th क्लास के इंग्लिश यूनिट नंबर 9 क्वालिटी एजुकेशन अ की टू सक्सेस के एक्सरसाइज के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स लेके आई हूँ। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हाउ हैज़ क्वालिटी एजुकेशन बीन डिफाइंड इन द टेक्स्ट? आंसर, quality education is defined in the text as an approach that equips individuals with the knowledge, skills, values, and attitudes necessary to live productive and fulfilling lives. It emphasizes holistic learning, preparing students to thrive in a rapidly changing world and promoting sustainable development. Question number 2. Name 3 benefits of quality education mentioned in the essay. Answer, 3 benefits of quality education mentioned in the essay are: number 1, it fosters economic growth and reduces poverty. Number 2, it promotes gender equality and empowers women. Number 3, it helps protect the environment by encouraging sustainable practices. Question number 3, why is human capital development important for a country's economic growth and sustainable development? Answer, human capital development is important because it enhances the knowledge, skills, and health of individuals, which are essential for contributing effectively to economic growth and development. A well-educated population drives innovation, improves productivity, and helps in achieving sustainable development goals. Question number 4. Describe the role of education in reducing inequality and poverty. Answer, education plays a key role in reducing inequality and poverty by providing equal opportunities for all, regardless of background, gender, or ethnicity. It equips marginalized populations with the skills and knowledge necessary to break the cycle of poverty and contribute to inclusive economic growth. Question number 5. How does quality education promote understanding and tolerance? Answer, quality education promotes understanding and tolerance by teaching students about different cultures, religions, and perspectives. This fosters mutual respect, reduces prejudices, and helps in building a more inclusive and cohesive society. Question number 6. How does teaching entrepreneurship in schools promote economic growth? Answer, teaching entrepreneurship in schools promotes economic growth by encouraging students to develop innovative ideas and entrepreneurial skills. This can lead to the creation of new businesses, job opportunities, and the development of the economy through innovation and investment. Question number 7. Why is STEM education important for driving innovation? Answer, STEM education, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, drives innovation by equipping students with technical skills, problem-solving abilities, and a mindset for tackling global challenges. It fosters curiosity, encourages experimentation, and prepares them for advancing technology and science. Question number 8. Can you think of any ways to improve the quality of education in your own school or community? Answer, one way to improve the quality of education in my school or community is by investing in teacher training and providing them with up-to-date resources. Encouraging the use of technology in the classroom can also enhance learning experiences, allowing students to access a broader range of knowledge and skills. उम्मीद करते हैं आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी। वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। इसके साथ साथ बेल आइकन के बटन को ज़रूर दबाइएगा ताकि मेरी नए आने वाली वीडियोस आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। मेरी अगली वीडियो आने तक अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।